You don't know. Bad man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Xbozy baby.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Genevieve is in my hair. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I spiced up the way I wear my headband wig. Alright, so I'm going to part out a little bit of my hair from the front side, and after which I'll put that away and work with the back section first. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for stopping by. And yay, we just hit our first 100 subscribers. Yeah, I want to say thank you to you all for your support, for your love and encouragement. You all are great and I really do appreciate you, and I say God bless you all. So now let's head to 1000 subscribers. Yeah, we can do it. We did the first 100, we can do the 1000. Why not? With your help, with your support, we can do that. So let's hit the road to 1000 subscribers. Yay! So after packing out the front of my hair, I started making loose cornrows at the back of my hair. Your parts don't need to be neat, okay, because as you can see I don't have any mirror at my back, so I'm just using my finger to run it through as I just part it with my tail comb, because nobody's going to see it. It's going to be inside and your headband wig is going to cover it. But if you still want to make yours neat, if you have a mirror, you can keep behind you. Arrows. So yeah, I'm showing you the braiding hair that I'm using. I already cut it into 4 and I feathered the ends of the hair. So here I'm doing a fitting method. Okay, what I'm doing is I grab a little piece of hair, I attach it to my hair, putting it down on my pointer finger and also my pinky, and then I would slide in the hair and leave the one that I have on my pinky, and afterwards I'll grab the I left from my pinky, the hair that is just dropping, and I would take that and put it underneath the hair and so hold it down with the pointer finger and continue to make my cornrow. If that makes sense. I don't really know how to really explain this better, but I believe you watch me and you'll be able to see how I do it. Okay, it's pretty easy. But if you cannot do this pattern, you can also do Ghana cornrows. Either one you do will work just fine. Okay, all you need to do is just make 2 big cornrows in the front of your hair. Okay guys, so if you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly click the red subscribe button so you subscribe and join the family, and also turn on the notification bell because you're the first to get notified anytime I post videos like this, because I have a lot Insta, okay? And also like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends and family. And also drop a comment on the comment section down below telling me what you think about the style. Does it really look If you have not seen the video how I made this headband wig using a Kanekalon braiding hair and also a straw to curl it, I'll drop the link in the description box down below, so please do well to check that out. Alright, so here I'm popping in my headband wig. I've already attached the combs. As you can see, it has 3 combs, 2 in the front and 1 at the back, and also it has a velcro. Right, so I've gone ahead to attach my wig combs and use my wig combs to secure that properly, the 2 in the front and 1 at the back, and also I've gone ahead to attach my velcro as well. So all this will make the headband wig to stay put at your hair, like even if you jump, flick your hair or do whatever, it's going nowhere. Alright, so afterwards I'll apply a styling mousse on my hair so as to reduce some of the flyaways of the hair and also make the curls to pop a little bit more. So guys, afterwards I would use some gold clips to pop in the front, and that is it for this video, guys. If you've stayed with me to this point, I want to say thank you for watching, and I love you all, and God loves you more. I'll see you all in my next one. Endeavor to stay safe and be blessed. Peace.
Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through the beat. Damilohun, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. The bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Damilohun, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Your friends they tell you say I